side we checked, right? Cannot be
Master.
reparented.
Yeah. Okay.
Object manager, custom object. Why this is happening? Duplicate. Okay. Looks like system is getting angry. Okay, now I got it. So now I'll create another object called course content. So the plural name also I'm giving this course content again here, okay? And if you can see here, the object fields are of two data types. One is text and another is auto number, okay?
Yeah.
S number.
Site.
No, I'm
Okay.
just keeping serial number and I'm making auto
Okay.
number. What is the course content? I'll say COURSC course hyphen. This is the format. If you want to make a sequence, right? Something we can do like this. Course 000010002, something it will come. Instead
Oh.
of keeping like, I'll
Okay.
keep 1. So and then I'll say
Okay.
starting number is 1. I mean first record should start with 1.
1.
And I'm saying allow reports, allow activities, track field, allowing charter groups, deploy. And I'm not creating any launch tab today because adds an auto attachment I'm doing, but custom tab I'm not doing from here. Okay.
Okay.
If I click, it will be like a straightforward that you will be jump on. But now we are creating just an object. We'll create a tab later.
Okay.
And now objects are created. Now what is our expectation? We should create a master detail to our site object.
Okay.
So now I'm clicking on choosing a new field and master detail. I'm trying. What is our object name?
Site.
Pro coding skills content.
Okay.
Next. Now childs can be reparented. And I'm just saving it. Save.
Mm.
Now what's the relationships is look like now between different objects? For that I'll show you something. You'll find some interesting. Schema builder. There is an option called schema builder.
Okay.
Go to schema builder. If you get any doubt about any type of relationships, first click clear all and then account
Okay.
object and then pro coding skills content and then which object you had?
Courses.
Codes and then click auto layout. This is your course and here you need to adjust. Scroll bar will not work that much effective, so you need to adjust from here. Now you can see what's the relationship we had. This is account
Okay.
is the first parent, right?
Yes.
Second parent is pro coding skills content and third child is second and child is course content.
Courses.
In this case,
Even that is master detail.
even that is master detail. In this, any of
Mhm.
the parent, I mean, if any of the parent is being trying to be a child here, no, right?
No. No.
No. Any of the, this is like a child to the account and this is child to course content. Even that is,
Oh.
even if you observe in your human relationship, my grandfather, my dad, and me.
Okay.
Can I be a parent to my dad?
No. No.
Not right. Even in
No.
relationship, it doesn't allow you.
Okay.
That is
So
what.
Deepak, if we delete one meaning item, the everything gets deleted, right?
If you delete an account, all things will be deleted. If you delete a pro
Deleted.
coding skills content, then course content will be deleted. Cascading.
Deleted. Okay.
I mean, the
Okay.
next level will be deleted, not like a superior level.
Okay.
Now, if you can go back, I'll go back to my object manager, okay, and then I'll go to pro coding skills. Pro coding skills content, field relationships, new, master detail. What happened?
Okay. It's faded. Hmm. It's grayed out.
It's grayed out. Why?
I,
Why happened? What happened to this?
uh, may, I can't see the screen properly. You cannot create the type of field.
You cannot create the type of field because a master detail relationship already exists on this object, and this object is a master in another master detail relationship. So it means
Okay.
this already becomes a master detail relationship to the other object.
Yes.
Now
Hmm.
you can't create a master detail relationship with this because if you create master detail relationship here now, so it becomes a child.
Okay.
Now let me cancel it out. Let me cancel it out. So what I'll do, I just delete this account field. Okay, I'll just delete this account relationship. Delete it. I'm just deleting the existing field now.
Okay.
Now I'll create a new field. I'll create a master detail. Here you can't find course content for sure. Course content you can't find here.
Yeah.
Account. Next. Account. Reparented. Next. Save. Cannot create a because a new master detail relationship on an existing object if already is this error because of some other reason. You know why? If I go to goal, my goal, what it is saying, I'm trying to create a master detail relationship on an existing object, right?
Yeah.
And even though it is not just an object, we have a records also here. We have records also, isn't it?
Yes.
So when you are trying to create any master detail relationship on an existing object which already have records, then it will create a problem. The reason behind master detail relationship is a mandatory relationship, right?
Yes.
So if I create a new, imagine that system allows you to create a field. If field is got created, then how should I tag to the parent? Because there is no information on the field, right?
Yes.
So only system will not allow you to do that. What it will ask you to create a lookup first
Okay.
and then update the field data in all records. I mean, you need to open your records, edit, and then select the parent record in that lookup field. Save it.
Okay.
And then convert that and change the data type from master lookup to master detail.
Master.
If I go to previous, okay, I'm just creating now the same conversion process I'm doing. Why we are doing
Okay.
this? Because the records already there in the object.
Okay.
Lookup,
Look up.
next, account,
Account.
next,
Next. Account.
next, visible all, next, save. Now if I come back, I refresh it. Now I need to select my parent record here, right?
Yeah.
Pro coding
Yeah.
skills I selected. Now I have to go back to the account field, open the account field. You have a here
Edit. Yes.
edit, and then click on change data type, field type.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can choose master detail from the options,
Okay. Mm.
and child can be reparented. Same. Now what happened? This becomes master detail relationship. Now you can see.
Yeah. Grayed out.
Same. Pro coding skills. Got it.
Yes, correct. I got
So
it.
what's the learning from this session?
uh,
If the same object is a child to another object and also parent to another object, then you can't create any more master
master.
detailed
Master.
relationships.
Yeah.
You mean to say, so now here what happened? Let me go schema builder only. Okay, let's click on object manager, schema builder. Here also we have so many options and just navigation. Before I went to home, searched for a schema builder and showed, right? Now what
Yeah.
happened? Pro coding skills is a child to an account and parent to a course. In this
Yes.
object, you can't create any more master detailed relationships
Yes.
because this already becomes a child, right? Parent.
Child. Yeah.
This already becomes a parent. Once it becomes parent, you can't create any more master detailed relationships.
Okay.
It means parent cannot be a child to any other object.
Okay.
Parent cannot be a child to any
Any
other
other object?
object. Now, that statement is not quite similar, right? Because this is a child to an account and this is parent to quotes.
Yeah.
Here you need to understand my statement is little, I mean, there is no grammatical way that you can say here. The problem here is if the one object is a child to another object and parent to another object, then only you can't create any other master data relationships.
Okay.
You understand? If I say a parent cannot be a child, but parent can be a child to my grandfather for sure.
Yes.
So you need to exception. You need to give an exception for this. The one
Okay.
relationship. Got it?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Yeah, that what. Like my statement is very generic in a way. Parent cannot be child. We always think parent cannot be child. But the only consideration we need to take, parent can be a child to a grandfather, but not anyone else. That's it. Simple.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool. Got it? You can remember this, right?
Yes. Yes.
Because in interviews people will try to confuse you in different ways, but just keep grandfather, me, my dad, and me, so you never forget the
Oh.
relationship.
Okay.
Cool. So now if I delete any of that, now what happened, let me go to the, okay, now we don't have a tab for a course, right?
Yes.
Now we need to go to home and then search for tabs. Tabs.
Okay. So we are trying to create a new tab in the here,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Where the, seriously, what the hell is this? I never realized that
Uh.
in Lightning we don't have that option. If I go to setup, I'll show you. So here we have an option called tabs,
Yeah. Create tab.
but in Lightning it doesn't have. I never realized it was not there. Okay. So here you can choose only custom objects which don't have a tab. So you can't create a tab, multiple tabs for same object, but you can create if the object have no tab, then you can choose from here. Red cross. I'm saving it. Default on. I'm saying. Save. Include in all apps? No, I'll include in my goal console. And for console application, there is a open idea in Salesforce form because it have a issue with the keeping session.
Okay.
So it's like existing issue. This is classic. So we don't worry. Refresh. So there is a upvotes that people are doing. Upvotes in the sense if any issues found, Salesforce guys will do a upvote. So in the next release, they will try to fix, not a immediate one.
Okay.
New. And I'm just selecting input the Lakshmi Deepak. Say course one, right? This is the format that we are asking. And
Yeah.
here we have Lakshmi Deepak. I open, and then we have course. I open, and then we have Pro Coding Skills is an account, right?
Yeah.
Now what I will do, here there is a, let me open, no, yeah, test, Pro Coding Skills, and I'm saving it, okay. So there is a one record also, overdue, I mean there is one activity also in the course
Okay.
object, okay. And in Lakshmi Deepak, we don't have anything. What I am doing, I'm just deleting record from here, delete.
Okay.
So what happens? Deleted, deleted. No doubt in that. So it got deleted, cascading.
Okay.
Looks like there is a problem, there is no details, right? It got cascaded. Now how to
Okay.
reload that? Recycle bin. Now we can able to restore only one account parent record. You can't restore only child.
Okay.
If you
Parent.
delete child alone, then you can restore. But if you delete parent, then you have to restore parent only.
Okay.
Uh, Now restored, right? Now again I'll go to accounts. I have pro coding skills now.
Yeah.
I opened it. I refreshed it. Even the ID is not, ID is also same, right?
Yeah.
Here I see it's not only the records, even the events also. Whatever related to those objects, it will be restored each and everything.
Okay.
It's not something it just restores the data, it will leave everything. No, it restores each and everything. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any confusions here?
So Deepak.